Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all, students? I hope all of you are fine. So welcome back to our English class. But before starting, recite a dua with me. Rabbi zidni ilma. O Allah, increase me in knowledge. Good. Now, students, open your planner on your workbook. Here is the today's task that you will learn spelling on page number 34 and learn to listen page number 38. Here mention the date and day of today. So students, open your textbook page number 32. Here firstly you have to mention the date and day here. Okay, आपने date और day mention करना है. Here is the section learn to read. Underline the correct words or phrase to complete the sentences. आपने sentences को complete करना है by putting correct words. यहाँ पे 2 words दिए गए हैं like good and bad. You have to choose the one word for which is correct for this sentence. Okay, now the first one has been done for you as Androcles worked for a very good bad man. Here is the underlined word bad, so the sentence will be completed as Androcles worked for a very bad man. Now comes to word the next. He ran away into the desert or a cave. Androcles कहाँ भाग कर गया था? Yes, into the desert. He slept in a cage or a cave. Yes, cave. Where he saw a lion. The lion had a nail thorn in its paw. Nail or thorn? लाइन के पाँव में क्या चुभा था? Yes, thorn. Good. The lion had a thorn in its paw. That's good. Now the next is some man caught Androcles and took him to the town or a desert. Androcles को पकड़कर कहाँ ले गए थे? Took him to the town. That's good. The lion in the cage and the lion in the cave were the same or different? Cage और cave में जो lion थे सेम थे या डिफरेंट? Yes, the both are same. The lion in the cage and the lion in the cave were the same. Good. Now repeat with me. Androcles worked for a very dash man, bad man. He ran away into the desert. He slept in a cave. Good. The lion had a thorn in its paw. Some man caught Androcles and took him to the where? Took him to the town. The lion in the cage and the lion in the cave were the same. Good. Excellent. MashaAllah. So students, now open page number 34. Here is the heading Learn Spelling. Here you will learn the spellings of the words. Okay? Remember, have you learned to break up long words so that they easy to say? As I told you earlier in chapter 1, The Great Race. The breakup words. Use the same trick to learn the spellings of longer word. Look at these words. Look at these words and how they are broken up. Now learn spellings. First word is master. Learn the spelling M-A-S-T-E-R. Master. What is it? Master. Repeat with me. Master. Good. Now the next is D-E-S-E-R-T. Dessert. What is this? Dessert. Repeat with me. Dessert. You have to learn the spellings of these words. Suddenly, here is sud, S-U-D-D-E-N, sudden, L-Y, suddenly. What is the spelling of suddenly? S-U-D-D-E-N-L-Y, suddenly. Good. Next is loudly, L-O-U-D-L-Y, loudly, loudly. Next is afraid, A-F-R-A-I-D, afraid, A-F-R-A-I-D, afraid. Next is together, T-O-2-G-E, T-H-E-R, together. What is it? Together, together. Good. Now the next is Androcles. Draw, C-L-E-S, Androcles. You have to pronounce it as Androcles. Z की वॉइस आएगी एंड में, ठीक है? Androcles. ईज नहीं होगा, क्लीज होगा, ओके? Androcles. Now the next is gently, G-E-N-T-L-Y, gently. What is it? Gently. Now spell with me. Master, desert, suddenly, loudly, afraid, together, Androcles, and the last one is gently. Now students, open page number 38. Here is the heading, learn to listen. Listen to Seema telling you about her birthday and take the present that she gave to other people. This year Seema said she did not want any birthday present. Instead she saved up some money to buy present for other people. आपने इस पिक्चर में टिक करने हैं जो गिफ्ट्स उसने दूसरे लोगों को दिए. Okay? Now listen to Seema. This year I had a lot of fun for my birthday. To begin with, I said no presents. My parents are not very rich and it's difficult for them to buy me present every year. So first I got my mother a present. She has always wanted a plant for our veranda. So I bought a pot and painted it. Then I planted a pretty plant in it. On my birthday, I gave it to her and she is so happy. She gave me a big hug. Next, I gave my father a present too. I gave him a large handkerchief. I bought some white cloth and my teacher helped me to turn it very neatly. I wrapped it up and gave it to him, and he was pretty pleased too. Then I gave my brother Shoaib a coloring book and some crayons. He likes coloring and he had finished all the pictures in it before I came back from school. I had a present for my best friend too. She has always wanted a copy of storybooks. She liked reading, so I bought her a book for my birthday. And she was so happy. And of course, I had sweet for all my classmates. They all sing happy birthday. And I had the happiest birthday of my life this year. So now students, you have to take the gifts which she gave to others people, like she gave to her mother, her father, her brother and her friend too. Now stay safe and sound. Fi amanillah.